You are not just someone I love. You are the last person I'm giving my loyalty to. I'm done with half-hearted efforts, done with temporary feelings, done with love that comes and goes like seasons. With you it's different. I don't want options, I don't want options, I don't want backups, I don't want backups, I don't want what ifs, I want certainty, I want one forever. I want the kind of love where my heart finally rests and says, this is it. Protect what you found, and with you I'm not just in love,